Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Liberty Air 2 easy method. Press and hold both earbuds touch sensors for 10 seconds until the LED flashes red and white to start the factory reset. Place the earbuds back in the charging case with the lid open and wait for the case LED to blink. Then remove and repair the Liberty Air 2 in your device Bluetooth settings to finish the process. Left or right earbud not connecting after reset is common, and we can fix it quickly. Make sure both earbuds are charged above 20% and the charging contacts are clean using a dry cloth. Forget the device in Bluetooth settings and restart your phone, then repair the earbuds carefully. If sound is muffled, try cleaning the mesh and testing different ear tips for seal and comfort. Contact support if problems persist. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this reset guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips and tricks. On another note, Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for on-the-go lunches and tiny accessory parts, which pair nicely with earbuds in a daily carry kit. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy. Now let's get back to the video. Quick tips help you avoid repeated resets and keep Liberty Air 2 performing well. Update your device's Bluetooth and firmware when available, and store earbuds in the case to conserve battery. Use the correct touch controls to avoid accidental resets, and perform a manual reset only when necessary. Keep firmware update steps handy and note pairing order, left then right if you experience single ear issues. Also clean contacts monthly to prevent charging faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.